Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 4th episode of the Wilson Family Fireworks Display. I am your host, Gavin Wilson, aka Louis Lightstar, and I'm here to welcome you to this display. This may be the last episode. Hopefully my tablet doesn't wear out. This is the 4th episode. Might as well start you off with a little something, you know?
In the Wilson house, if it doesn't look like it's going to explode, it's going to explode.
Here comes the next fountain.
He was like, get out of the way. Hey, he was trying to look at the mountain.
Oh, what's up, man? Videotaping.
Go videotape Aiden.
I've been videotaping the entire fireworks display.
Are we cool, man?
Yeah, we're cool. Of course we are.
Just making sure. Nothing on. Slowly
Hey, bro! Come light your frog!
Alex couldn't either. It's fireworks.
It is a cool one.
It's not loud.
No, it's not supposed to be.
The entry is...
Quite loud. That is pretty dope.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a frog. We will be shooting it later. Isn't that the weirdest, most bizarrest, yet cutest firework you have ever seen? I know it is the first one I have. Yep. First one I've ever seen that is this weird looking. Anyway, back to the good show. I'm going to take another short break. I will see you guys in a few seconds for the final episode of the Wilson family's fireworks display. This is Gavin Wilson, aka Loose Light Star, signing off.